40% alcohol, baby. Get lit at the Christmas party. At the Christmas party. Literally, get lit. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making 2 Christmas cocktails. So the 2 that we're going to be making a Christmas margarita and a sprinkle of Christmas. So if you are interested, continue to watch so you can get my recipe and see how I make my cocktails. Okay, so for starters, you're definitely going to need a tequila. You're going to need some lime juice. Any kind of lime juice you can find. You're going to need some simple syrup. Doesn't matter the brand, just grab it. Contra, just, you're going to need that too. And you're going to need some cranberry little fruit. This is considered fruit. You're going to need this just to like decorate your cup or whatever. And then you're also going to need rosemary. But let me let y'all know, I couldn't find rosemary nowhere, right? So I was just like, I got a real Christmas tree. Rosemary looks similar to Christmas tree. So I just went in my living room and I just grabbed a little leaf. Is this called a leaf? I grabbed this. And you're going to need a shaker to shake your shit up. You're going to put ice in it, mix your drink up, and shake it. So let's hop into it. Since you guys know all my ingredients that I'll be using, let's get into it because the Christmas parties are right around the corner. Have y'all ever tried like a cranberry like this? Or like this, whatever? Have y'all tried it? I haven't. So let's try it. It tastes real tart, real bitter. It is not good. But maybe when it has alcohol infused in it, it might be good. For starters, we're gonna need some ice in our little shaker. We have our ice. For our tequila, you're gonna need 1.5 ounces. I don't know what the fuck that means. I wonder if I can pour it in a shot glass and then pour it in a measured cup and see if it works. We're gonna do that. Let's see. That's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna pour a shot glass inside of our cocktail, right? Boom. And then you're gonna need the same 1.5 ounces of cranberry juice. And we're gonna be using, I don't know if I showed y'all, but we're using cranberry and pomegranate juice. So we're just gonna fill it up with our shot glass too. After that, we're gonna need 1 ounce of our Contro, and I think you gotta be really precise with this one because this is 40% alcohol, baby. Get lit at the Christmas party. At the Christmas party. Literally, get lit. Alright, I think I'm about to make this for my friend's birthday party next weekend. I might make it. Like, I might be the bartender. I'm like, I'll be a bartender. Okay, let me stop. Okay, so we need 1 ounce of this. What the fuck is 1 ounce? That's 2 ounces. Okay, I think 2. Wait. I don't know how to bake. Oh, fuck. I don't know how to bake really well. So this measuring is not it's not me. I don't know. Maybe if I do a half of this shot glass, I'm gonna be lit as fuck. Okay. I use 1 ounce of the lime juice. I don't know what 1 ounce is, so we just about to do this. We're just about to just do that. I don't know. I'm gonna pour it in the shaker. We're gonna use some simple syrup, which is this one. And for this one, you're gonna need 1.5 ounces. 5 ounces. I think that's enough. I don't know. Secure your shaker. Shake it. Put some of the cranberries in the cup. I'm also going to use my Christmas tree, my Christmas tree leaf, or whatever it's called. And I'm just going to place that like right there. And then I'm going to pour it in my glass. This is so pretty. I would not go all the way up. What a lame. What a lame. So this, my friends, is the Christmas Margarita. It's really cute. Like, yeah, it's really giving. Okay, guys, so we are on drink number 2. So this one is called A Sprinkle of Christmas. And the reason I gave it that name is because it's champagne. So sprinkle, you get it? So you're gonna need the Cointreau again for this drink. You're also gonna need cranberry unsweetened. But again, I'm gonna be using cranberry and pomegranate. And then you're gonna need some champagne. But baby, we are gonna be using Black Girl Magic Champagne, okay? We're gonna start off with the Cointreau. This time you're gonna need 2 teaspoons of this. I got a teaspoon and I got the drink. So we just gonna put 2 of these in here. For the cranberry juice, it says 4 teaspoons. 2 more. Alright, so we have 4 teaspoons of cranberry juice. And then now we need our Black Girl Magic! What? I'm just kidding. And you know, when I go out, I don't know about y'all, but I like a light skin mimosa, which means you have more champagne than you do orange juice. So I want more orange juice. I mean, I want more champagne. So after directions, I'm gonna do what I want to do. Don't laugh at me, but I literally learned how to pop a bottle in last year. Like, I was so scared to pop a champagne bottle, but I ain't no more. I'm a G now. Okay. Let's do it. Oh, scared. Ah! Okay. In here. And like I said, I like a light skin mimosa, so I'm gonna put hella champagne. So we're gonna do that. Okay, so we're just gonna pour a tad bit of that in here. So ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. This is a really cute drink. If you're trying to impress the bae, I think this is the one. We about to do a taste test for both of the drinks. Okay, we're gonna try the margarita. Let's see what it tastes like. It's good. I like it, but maybe if I had the unsweetened cranberry, it probably would have been like A1. And then 2, I wasn't measuring right. I told y'all the measurements, but I wasn't following them because I don't have the proper measurement cups. So I winged it. But for the most part, it's really good. We're gonna try our Sprinkle of Christmas. This one looks really good. Let's see. I think it's too I think it's too light skinned for this. Let's add some more juice. I have a lot more. I'm being real honest. Let's see. Let me try it again. I don't know if I like it. But for the most part, this one was good. Just watch your measurements. And you know what? I'm not even going to do that because I really didn't measure on this either. I was just like, I like a light skin mimosa. So I poured hella champagne in it when I should have followed directions, which I didn't. So if you follow directions, it might taste way different than you. But if you are trying to get lit, do it this way. Because you, my friend, will be litty. Again, thanks for watching. Peace out. Gotta go before I get too lit.